S&P 500 this week has continued to rise in value, and we can see nothing has stopped this index to fall down, and the price has reached 5,000, that's a round number, and even more, it has closed on Friday above that, which means a bullish breakout above this psychological level, which is also all-time high for the price. We can see it here on the weekly time frame that the price is continuing to form bullish candles with a strong body, which means the bulls are still ruling on the market and they are not allowing any sellers to enter to push the price down. On the monthly time frame, for the last 3 months we have bullish candles formed on the market, and there is nothing that the price could return back down. Just to confirm, this bullish breakout is a valid one, but the price is continuing to rise in value, which means a strong bullish momentum. So compared to the previous week analysis, this didn't have changed too much because the price continued and it reached 5,000 as a round number and did not reverse back down. For now, everything still looks that there will be still bullish momentum on the market, and it will be very it would be better to wait to see on the daily time frame how the start of the week ends, because on the Monday it will be very critical to see will this bullish candle on the weekly time frame be validated as the next bullish breakout to the upper side, which means if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that this 5,000 should be confirmed the next Monday, not returning back inside. If the price returns back below 5,000, this will mean that this bullish breakout has been failed, and I am expecting that the price will return back down around 49.54. If that happens, I will share that inside the daily analysis, inside the trading community, and also the Telegram group. The link will be below in the description. But for now, as it looks, there are no sellers that could push the price down, because we can see the candle's body that has been formed on the market. They are not showing any sign of weakness, because there are no strong wicks on the upper side that could show that the bulls have tried to reach high price levels, but their sellers have returned the price down. Now the candle's body are complete and with the small wicks, which means there are no sellers on the market, so I'm not expecting anything that could push and reverse the price easily. So for now, that's all for this week analysis. Let's see how the Monday closes. Will the price stay above or it will return below 5,000? See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.